In this video clip, we'll see why this gray triangle area has the formula 1/2 times AB times sine gamma. Let's first note that this triangle area is half of this parallelogram area. So if we can find out the area of this parallelogram, we divide by 2, we shall get the gray triangle area. Because, when we connect diagonal AB, this diagonal will divide this parallelogram into 2 equal parts. One is the gray triangle area, another is white triangle area. Those 2 areas are the same. Then we divide it by 2, we'll get the gray area. Now, the problem is how we are going to figure out the area of this parallelogram. Actually, the area of this parallelogram is height times the bottom length width. B is h times the length of AC or B, little case B. Why is that? Okay. Now, look, this is the parallelogram. If we mark this triangle, I'll let it flash. Okay, if we mark the right triangle, okay, and then look at the left triangle, we know those 2 triangles are equal. Okay, this one equals the area of this part. If we can cut this one off and put it right here, then we know the original area of the parallelogram actually will be equal to the area of this rectangle. But we know the area of this rectangle is the height times the bottom length B. Okay, so then we know the parallelogram area will be equal to B times H. So that's why I put it here. B times H is the area of this parallelogram. Okay. Now we have the area of parallelogram is B times H. Now what is H? H is A this side times sine gamma. Why? Because the opposite side of gamma is H. H over hypotenuse, BC, or you say A. H over A is sine gamma. That's what I wrote it here. H over A is sine gamma. Both sides times A. So you have then H stands alone on the left equals A times sine gamma. Then the area of this parallelogram actually equals B times H. B times H is actually equals B times A times sine gamma. Okay, so AB times sine gamma, right here, AB times sine gamma is the area of this parallelogram. Okay? Yeah, is the area of this parallelogram. All right. Now, if you divide it by 2, then 1/2 times AB times sine gamma will be what? Will be the half area of this parallelogram. So this basically shows that the area of this gray triangle is 1/2 times AB times sine gamma. So that's why that's the case. Now, here this triangle is an acute triangle. Is this really true for the obtuse triangle? How does it look like for the obtuse? Here, let's talk out this acute triangle. Get the parallelogram out. You see, if we connect the diagonal in this way, so BC, if we connect diagonal in this way, then this gray area, gray triangle will be obtuse triangle. Is because angle A is greater than 90 degrees. Still, this gray triangle area is half of this parallelogram area. Okay? And then we know H times this H times AC, the bottom length, or times B will be the area of this parallelogram. Okay, so if you choose half, B times H, you choose half, then will be the area of this obtuse triangle. Now, it is really true that in this case, H is still A times sine gamma. The answer is yes. You see, opposite side of gamma divided by hypotenuse A is sine gamma. It's still the same. Then H is A times sine gamma. Okay. So that's proved for the obtuse triangle. How about right triangle? This is a right triangle. Then B times A will be the area of this rectangle. If we divide it by 2, then we will get this area of the right triangle. So A times B divided by 2 is right here, will be area of this right triangle. Well, gamma is 90 degrees. Sine 90 degrees is 1. Okay, so you can put sine 90 degrees times AB and then times 1/2. That will be the area of this right triangle. So then 90 degrees is actually gamma. So instead of 90 degrees, you may put gamma here. So then AB times sine gamma Remember, sine 90 degrees is 1, so sine gamma is 1. And then divided by 2, or times 1/2, will be the area of this triangle. Okay? So in all those three cases, acute triangle, obtuse triangle, and the right triangle, we all have the area of the triangle is what? Is one side times another side times 1/2 times the sine angle, and this angle gamma, gamma is in between those two sides, will be the area of the triangle. And that's the formula. All right? Okay, I'll see you next time.